Parang nakipag-agawan ng buko, may pumalag kay Mark Pingris. No mercy naman si Gilas legend Jeff Chan, nagpaulan ng 13 points agad sa first quarter. Hindi kayang gwardyahan si Mark Pingris, may pinalipad sa paint, easy points para kay Pinoy Sakuragi. Kaya subscribe now at i-like and share mo na rin ang ating video para maging updated ka. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng kanilang laban.
One of their main centers this season after a splendid year.
Can't answer that three. Rivera, he puts it up.
Out of 24, so it's a good sign that Christian Rivera was able to knock down their first attempt from down.
Passing. Jeff Chan thought about it. Now draws closer. Mid-range jumper is pure. Followed in their losses. Talagang paltry yung nagiging offense niya. Meanwhile, nothing paltry there.
That's been the role that's been given to him by Coach Aldrin Morante, and here he gets the steal.
Point
from defense to offense, and here Pasig City is on the run again.
Oh, Warlow Batak going up
Sa MPBL.
Pwede pa. Ito, gusto din nating makitang sumali sa 3-point cone.
He's been given a lot of easy looks. Credit to him for really...
Jitty, right in there. This is down to a 4-point lead. But Christian Fahari, Binyan threatening to pull away again. Now it's Carlo Lastimosa with a strong take.
Di nakita doon ng Pasig City. Instead, they set it up here. Well,
Pamboy, lob inside to Pajarito. In trouble. But there was Mark Pingris in the vicinity.
The baskets don't fall, the morale is low. But once Pasig City figures out a way for Pasig City, but they failed to get a basket, it was blocked, that shot of Keith Pido.
Isidre wrestling with Pinoy Sakuragi. Blocked by Roakurva. What a recovery there by Kenny Rogers. Oh, Jaime, the effort on that play. Roakurva, the reverse.
Especially the core of Pasig City when they were under coach.
Isang naalala ko, JJ Helterbrand was there.
Yes, Pacpac Cardona.
Yes. Maestre, nasa Pasig siya. Double figures din siya in terms of scoring. To si Mike Maestre. In doing it with...
Flip those shots, those one-hand finishes around the back.
Chito Jaime forcing the turnover. Christian Rivera straight to the rack. Rivera pushing it, goes right at Pamboy, lays it up and in, plus a foul. Jeff Chan continues his hot. Chito Jaime, he drives. He dishes it out to Mark Top. Crossover, getting past Maestre. Keith Pido from the right corner. Mark Pingris.
He wants an ISO. Oh, he kicks it out.
He kicks it out with Mark Pingris sizing up Jacob Galicia. Oh, what a powerful move. Basket and Keith Pido. Warlow Batak, long three. Oh! Big shot. Pass to Warlow Batak, who drives. Great dump pass inside to Jacob Galicia. Kick out to Pajarito. Flip shot from 20 feet, banks it in. 2 minutes gone by here in the fourth quarter. Tamayo, kick out pass, Rivera for free. Oh! Good! Pamboy could not convert from the outside. Roakurva. Warlow, the pass. Montuano, the three. It's good.
It's from the outside when he shoots from downtown.
Oh, the counter by
Moment. Loves it when he is being challenged.
Oh, Montuano. Christian Rivera. Great pick set by Reyes. Ngayon, ang nalibre si Montuano. Montuano was stopped in his tracks by Gimpayan. Now it's Rivera. This time, it's Lester Reyes, the receiver. He drives, challenging the defense. Count it, plus a... If you're Pasig City. Lastimosa, the spin! Putting the... Carlo. He stops on the dime, puts it up, puts it in! But Roakurva able to steal it, and that's the ball game.